Google Sheets has pre-built tables available now. Let's check them out. When you open Google Sheets, this panel appears on the right now with pre-built tables. Pre-built tables include smart chips, placeholders, and custom color palettes, and they have different categories for you to check out. Let's look at Featured first. I'm clicking the arrow, and under Featured, we see Event Tasks. All I did was hover over it, and I can see a preview of it over on the left. And if I want to use this, I just click Insert. You can hover over any of the options and see a preview on the left, and the Insert button is there for all of them. Let's go to another category. We'll go to Event Planning, and then same thing, if you hover over any of the options, you can see a preview of it on the left, and it has the Insert button. You can scroll down and see all of the different options available and choose the one that works best for you.